What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show y'all girls how to get them toes stuck and ready. Yeah, you heard me. You want your toes to be pretty and soft and cute, so we gotta use some severe cracked heel balm today and some super moisturizing little foot things I ordered off Amazon. These are so good. I highly recommend these and the balm because, child, my heels is cracked. Okay, they look good right there because I just took my feet out that mask I just showed y'all, and I'm telling you, that was the best thing I ever did. I actually heard another one of the girls recommend it that I watched, and I fell in. I ain't fall in love, but I just fell in love with the idea. Like, oh my god, it's like a little balm, like a stick that you rub on your feet, like a chapstick. Like, that's exactly what I was picturing. Like, it's easy, you don't have to like rub it in. You do that, and you put your socks on, and maybe from this day on, I've been putting it on my feet. This was like 2 weeks ago I did this video. I am so late on posting it, but I wanted to actually like using this product to see if it really worked, and it really do. Like, it has like, it got Epsom salt, urea, 25% urea, and essential oils. So it softens and hydrates. And it say it fills your cracks, and I am seeing a big difference. I mean, I do have years of like cracked feet, and I never really took care of them how I really wanted to because of whatever. But I am so getting into my self-care, my self-love, and I am putting myself first for the rest of my life, not just for 2023. I'm doing this for the rest of my life. It just feels so good to just take care of yourself and make yourself feel pretty and just enhance your natural features. I mean, look at my toes. I had my toes like that for about 3 months or so, and or 2 months. It's whatever, however long. It's been too long. And plus, my toenail on my left foot is like super short because I ripped it down too far. So I basically wanted to wait until that grew back, and then I just ended up ordering me some false nails off Amazon because I could not just keep going on with my feet like that. I mean, I could have just had them plain, but I don't like my feet not having color to them. So I just wanted to do something cute, and I'm like, oh my god, I could just order the little gem toenails that I had before, because I had these before, but I did not do a video. I just did like a little short on Snapchat, and I thought they were so freaking cute. I mean, they didn't stay on long the first time because I didn't do them how I did it this time. Like, you really gotta file your nail, and you gotta file the fake nail as well, so it can really adhere to your toenail, because you don't want it to be like a smooth surface for either one of them. Because I just said 2 weeks now. I had these nails on for about 2.5 weeks now. When I'm recording this, it is a Tuesday, so I think this is the third week right here that I had these nails on, and they have not went anywhere. And literally all I did is what I'm showing you right here, and it ain't went nowhere. It haven't even started like lifting or moving up yet. Like, when your toenail grow and you see like the little part between your between, you know what I mean, just that little section between your I can't even figure out, your cuticle and your like false nail. You'll see like your real nail in between. I don't have that at all with these at all. I don't know what it is about these, but they just look really good on, and it's just so cute to have like a pop of little, just like a silvery color with the diamonds all over it. It's just blinked all the way out, and then I just did like a soft baby blue to go with it. Like, I feel like that combination is just so cute together. I still got the blue on right now. I think I want to change over to pink and just leave the bling nail on my big toe, because it ain't going nowhere. I've been getting in and out the shower. I actually hit my toe a couple times. I've been wearing socks, wearing shoes, working, walking, going back and forth on my feet, doing all this stuff. And these nails have not went anywhere. They feel like my toenail. I am so serious. And I think I only paid like $8.99 for this package. less than $10, and it comes with glue inside and a nail file on the inside. And you can actually put them on your small toes too, but I just chose not to go through all that because last time I was trying to put on false nails on my small toes, it did not work out for me. But as far as the doctor shows moisturizing foot thing I had on my foot, the little foot bag, it worked so well. Like, do you see how light my feet look? I do not have on a filter at all on my camera, and that is the natural color that they came out the bag. Now you seen my feet before I did my before I put my feet in those little bags and moisturized my feet, and I had those things on for about 45 minutes for sure, because I set an alarm for 30 minutes and then I kept them on there because I just felt like I needed a deep moisturizing, because I have never did this before. So I kept them on a little bit longer, and my feet look so much lighter. They look so clean. They felt so soft. And when I tell you, my heels are cracked. They cracked bad. But they was cracked bad until I used this stuff. Like on the side, like on the outside sides of my feet, like where you see how you bend your feet and put your weight down on the side of your foot. That's not good because you get rough patches right there, and like the rough patch on your big toe, on the bottom of your big toe, like everything is so smooth. Like my feet has never been this smooth in my life. I felt so comfortable with like my dude rubbing me all over my feet, and yes, he do suck my feet. He suck my toes and kiss all on my feet and stuff like that. Girl, your man ain't gonna wanna stop touching you because your feet just gonna be so soft and so pretty. They gonna smell so good. I had like a lavender scent in mine, and I got three 1 packs. So I have 3 of those for each foot. So altogether I have 3. But they came all together like a 3 pack. So it's 3 individual packs of one. And they came all together like that. And I think it was about the same price, like $8.99, $10. I didn't pay too much money for this stuff at all. And this name brand is Dr. Scholl's. Like, it don't get no better than that. They do have other brands on there, and I do want to try the other brand that I was going to get at first, but then I seen that one for a little bit cheaper. So I'm like, let me get this one and just see how it is. I'll give me another one soon, and I got a little pedal to like buff out my feet. I got another little buffer that I'm about to start using. And baby, when you like invest into your feet and yourself, like you don't always have to go to the beauty salon. I literally did this at home, and I felt so good, so pretty. Sometimes I even put my feet in the water in a bucket, and I really want to start doing that again, because when I used to like make me some water, put my feet in there, I have it real hot, and I put me a nice mixture of oils and soap in there, and it just felt so good. And having me my little scrub, it just felt so good, just taking that time out and putting that time into my feet, into myself, into my body, because that's one of the most important things, is having clean, pretty feet. Like, we don't want to be around here with ugly feet, trying to be around a dude, and you can't even have your feet out because they're so ugly. Like, no, I want my man to be rubbing on my feet, kissing on my feet, sucking on my feet. Can't stop rubbing my feet. He always touching my feet. Like, and he a feet lover, so even if he wasn't, I always like to keep my feet pretty. I even got toe rings and stuff like that, but I did not put them on this video. I just wanted to show you how they just naturally look, and I don't want to put them on my feet anyway because I just did them, and I just wanted to have that nice, sweet taste to them. Taste so good and clean. Like, I don't want it to taste like freaking pennies or nickels was on my feet. Even though some of that stuff be nickel free. I don't know, but I'm not even about to worry about that right now. So just always put that love into yourself and put yourself first. I'm really, really, really trying to do that this year. I'm doing that this year. It's not trying, I'm doing. And I feel so good doing it. I just feel so much better about myself. Like, let me just go ahead and buy this, because ain't no point in me buying like other little stuff that I really don't need. Like, I just want to do little stuff like this to make me feel good. And baby, this the end result right here. I had like a it's called Splishy or Splashy. It's like a blue color, a baby blue color. It's so pretty. I just did my toes myself and clipped them. I just did a like a triple coat on it to make sure it's nice and even and the color that it look in the bottle. And baby, this is gel polish, so we don't need no UV light. Ma'am, we are done and we are looking so fine, so good, so pretty. Catch me on my next video. I will be doing another one, and thanks for watching. Hit that like button.